Alright everybody, quick video. Real quick. I always say that. So there's a window and a door. I'm going to be taking those out and I'm going to install a sliding glass door in its spot. So there's a little bit of siding work, etc. So we're just doing some prep work, covering the floor. This is just a little room here. There's my third arms. You can put them up and boom, no tape, no staples, no nothing. And now I just covered that whole area from getting any dust in it. So there you go. I'll do an after video. I'm not doing none of the finish work. The homeowner's gonna be doing some of that himself. So I gotta get it ready for paint. Check you guys. All right, this is part 2 of the window door removal and installation of the sliding glass door. Yes, it's not painted. Everything's caulked in and ready for paint. Homeowner wants to paint everything himself. So we removed that window. You'll see the before video. All done. I know there's texture on the wall. I know some people don't like texture. Still drying, so you see a line in the video right here. That'll all go away. There's also a line up here. That's where one of those shelves go. But reuse some of their trim, so it's all good. Catch you guys on the next video.